IBMasters.com. Today we're going to look at the 5th question from Digital SAT Test 2 Module 2 from the Bluebook app, the easier set of math questions. And it reads an angular measure of 16 pi over 15 radians. What is the measure of the degree in angles? First, I'm going to show you exactly what you got to do. So pi equals 180, so you could, in terms of radians, so you can multiply by pi over 180 or 180 over pi without changing the value. So here we've got the pi on top. Notice degrees is what it's asking about. Degrees has no pi in it, so we got to get rid of the pi. So we got to multiply. We got to multiply with pi on the bottom, and 180 goes on top. And then these are going to cancel, and you could do it like this, but you could also just plug it in Desmos. When you plug it into Desmos, how do you get pi? You got to type pi, and it turns into the pi symbol over 15. And then how do you get times? You can either use your Desmos calculator. By the way, under functions, there's this thing over here that looks like pi. That is not pi. Under functions, you can hit multiply over here, or you can hit shift and 8 on your keyboard. That will also allow you to multiply. And so now we've got another fraction. We've got 180 over pi. And we've got 192, which is our answer. Just mark it and move on. So if you want to stick around, I'm going to give you an explanation for why we have this conversion, 180 over pi. So here we have a circle. You might know the formula for circumference of a circle is C equals D pi. Well, or C equals 2 pi r. Now you know that there's 360 degrees in the circumference of a circle. So you could say 360 equals 2 times pi times the radius. So if we divide both sides by 2, then we reduce this ratio and it becomes 180 equals pi times the radius. Or you could say 180 equals pi radians. So in other words, to get around 180 degrees of the circumference of the circle, you take your pi and you multiply by the radius. And that will always work. So since 180 equals pi in terms of radians, that's why you're able to multiply by 180 over pi over 180. It's the same as, let's say, 1 foot equals 12 inches. You can multiply by 1 foot over 12 inches or 12 inches over 1 foot. So for example, if I've got 3 feet and I've got to convert it to inches, I would multiply, I need feet in the bottom. And 1 foot has 12 inches. And then feet cancel, and you get 36 inches. But if on the other hand, let's say I have 24 inches and I got to convert to feet, I can multiply by 1 foot over 12 inches. And now inches cancel. 24 over 12 will give you 2 feet. It's the same deal with 180 over pi 180. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who doesn't know this conversion, 180 over pi 180. Just memorize it and make sure you know when to apply it whenever you're converting radians to degrees or degrees to radians. Is there any questions you'd like to answer from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT? Leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe and check out our 1-minute video on shorts on YouTube. Have a great day.